Hi, my name is Andreea Taflan and I am the co-founder of QX World. Today, I have a very exciting and important announcement for you. We are pleased to let you know that our state-of-the-art software, Omnis, has just been made available for SCIO, EDUCTOR and INDIGO devices. At QX World, we have always made the promise to continue to support all of our previous devices, and we are now delivering on this promise and are making the brand new Omnis software available to all our users. The day has finally arrived. Ready to embark on the trip of a lifetime? Get our newest interface to provide the best possible care for your clients. Would you like to get even more out of the software to deliver better and faster entrainments for your clients? There's a well-designed trade-in plan of the devices for everyone. Contact our brokers or directly QX World that we can connect you with your local representative. But let's get back to the most exciting news of the day. The new Omnis software will open a portal to a completely new dimension of biofeedback care for those who use our beloved SCIO, INDIGO, and EDUCTOR devices. It doesn't only look better, it is faster and much more user-friendly too. And it has the new basic report available for all of you. So how do you upgrade? First of all, you'll need a steady and safe internet connection to download and install Omnis. We recommend that you use a wired internet connection as Wi-Fi networks are prone to losses and disconnections. If a good internet connection isn't available, you can always purchase the Omnis on a USB drive. Contact us if you need one. Please also note that in terms of the antivirus software, only Asset Smart Security is compatible, so please block or uninstall any other third-party antivirus program before installation. Please also check that your operating system is updated to the newest version and that the device driver is properly installed. This is especially important if you install Omnis on a new computer. Open your QX Subspace app and log in with your account details. Please make sure to have your device connected and turned on. Once you are logged in, you will see that you have two options, EDUCTOR64 and Omnis. Please click on Omnis and then click on Install Latest Version. Very easy, start install and agree. Once the software has finished downloading and installing, you will get this message which you can click OK on, and now it's time to activate the Omnis. The activation is in process and then you will be prompted to pay for the activation with your credit card. Please enter your billing address or use an existing one. If you already have it, and click Next. Select what you want to activate if anything has to be on top, but in case on the transition from EDUCTOR64 to Omnis, everything is 100 plus 27 euro tax. Click on Next. We can pay by credit debit card, proceed to payment, select your card type, and then enter the number. Click on Activate Omnis. You will see a message that activation is in progress. Activation complete message pops up and the screen will disappear automatically. And now the Omnis is activated. To start the Omnis, always remember to start the QX Subspace app and then run Omnis to initiate. Now that you have Omnis up and running, let's take a quick look at how it has improved. The new Omnis is not only more appealing visually, but there are significant improvements under the hood. Optimized efficiency and therapy timing for one. The Matrix has been enhanced with a whole new range of trivector signatures. A multi-layered smart report function offers both the clients and the therapist valuable and compliant information. Thanks to its new plug-and-play capabilities, the software automatically recognizes when a device is connected. There's no need to set the communication port anymore. Database protection has also been updated to make sure that you, your clients, and all their valuable information is safe and sound. On top of that, you can now easily change from English to another language while running your session. Apart from that, several of our modules have been redesigned and include a set of exciting new therapies. Isn't that amazing? We hope you are as excited as we are, but don't pause the video just yet. We have another important announcement to make. Today, we are launching our brand new website in QX World Academy. Just go to www.qxworld.eu to discover a whole new world of educational materials, promotions, and much more. Happy browsing! Thank you for watching. Goodbye and have a wonderful day.